Hey, it's Cade and Tony from John Deere. There are a few different ways to install the AutoTrac controller or ATC 300 steering kit based on machine type and installer's preference. In this video series, we're covering how to equip a four-wheel drive tractor with the ATC 300 and 1200 cubic centimeter closed center valve. We'll go over some tips and tricks that will make this install easy, enabling the ATC 300 owner to reap the benefits of this AutoTrac solution. Please direct your questions to the local John Deere dealer.
If you're installing this kit yourself, make sure to review the warnings in the installation instructions and do this safely so we can install more kits together. Now let's get started.
Once the isolation valve kit, the ATC motor kit, and the flow switch have been mounted, we need to connect the tractor's hydraulic system to the ATC 300 components. Tony, what parts are needed for this part of the installation?
For today's video, we need hydraulic fittings, diagnostic couplings, fabricated hoses, T-fittings, and a shuttle valve. This tractor already has a Power Beyond kit installed, so that's the easiest place to connect into the pressure, tank return, and load sense.
And how much of this is provided by the kit?
The ATC 300 kit includes fittings for the ATC 300 components. Additional fittings will be needed to connect into the machine.
For specific information on the parts needed, please reach out to your local John Deere dealer. Tony, what type of tools are needed for this part of the install?
In today's video, we will be using combination wrenches. As we will be working with hydraulic lines, we'll be wearing safety glasses and gloves.
For a full list of safety recommendations and torque specifications for this part of the installation, please review the instructions that came with the kit or find them online at our technical bookstore, also known as techpubs.deere.com.
The ATC 300 valve assembly needs to be equipped with hydraulic fittings and diagnostic couplings. One of each has been installed on the valve assembly's tank return port and pressure ports. Hydraulic fittings should also be installed on the valve assembly's load sense, left and right ports.
And because the ATC valve assembly we installed on this machine in our last video was all fitted up, what will our first step in this video be?
We will connect hoses from the ATC valve assembly to the Power Beyond. The hoses will connect into the valve assembly's tank return, pressure, and load sense ports. If you're already using Power Beyond connections for an implement, use the included shuttle valve in the load sense connection during this step. This machine happens to have a second Power Beyond connection, so a shuttle valve was not required in this installation.
Please let us know if you want a video breakdown of that connection and refer to the install instructions for more details.
Next, we will connect hoses from the ATC valve assembly to the isolation valve.
Now, does it matter which side of the isolation valve is connected to the machine versus the ATC valve assembly?
Great question, Cade. The side of the isolation valve that is connected to the ATC valve assembly does not impact performance. The common misstep in installation is connecting the machine's left-hand side hydraulics to the ATC's right-hand side or vice versa.
Is that all the hydraulic connections that need to be made?
Nope, we have a few more to go.
I guess viewers will have to connect with us in our next video to see how those are done. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video in this series for more information on how to hydraulically connect the AutoTrac Controller 300 on a 4-wheel drive tractor.